Alright guys, it's time for Q&A. So I'm going to go through some of the questions I received last week and yesterday. And just as a reminder, these are for educational purposes only and should not be used as a medical advice. So for any medical concerns, please consult your doctor. Alright, so our lactation cookies are available at mommyknowsbest.com, Amazon, Walmart.com, in-store at some Walmarts, Target.com, Meijer, and I think that's it for now, but more coming soon. And of course, if you want to shop now for our lactation cookies, I'm going to make it easy for you, and I'm going to link our website here so you can go ahead and swipe up. All right, so this can happen for many different reasons, and it could just be from normal wear and tear, but one could be your phalange size. So that can actually change throughout your breastfeeding journey, so you might just need a new size. Also, just checking all the parts of the pump. So as you check the parts, you might realize you might need to replace certain pieces to it. Also, getting new batteries can help with the suction. And then last but not least, make sure all of the tubing is connected correctly. And of course, if you do all that and you're still not noticing any increase in suction, I would contact the brand that you bought the pump from, and maybe they have a warranty or they can help you address it more individually for that pump. Okay, so this is really going to depend on your individual baby and your baby's age. So like those first 24 hours, they're only going to need about a teaspoon of colostrum, but then there's the building phase, and then there's the maintenance phase. So it really depends on what phase they're in. Also, this is such an individual question for each individual baby because every baby is different. So we have to remember that they're not going to necessarily require the same thing at each age. So it's important that you talk with your doctor or a lactation consultant. All right, the best way to order our cookies from India would be to go to mommyknowsbest.com, and we ship pretty much anywhere. So yes, I would go ahead and go there. You can swipe up here. All right, so this is going to depend on the kind of freezer you have. If you have a freezer compartment, like a part of a mini fridge, it's only going to last for about 2 weeks. If you have an individual freezer as a part of your fridge, it's going to last for about 6 months, and a deep freezer about 12 months. And of course, as you write, you're going to want to write the date and the time and first in, first out kind of thing. So always use the oldest milk first and just kind of do a constant rotation. So the consistency that you'll be able to do this will really depend on the kind of freezer you have. But some people suggest doing 1 day a week where everything that your baby consumes is from frozen milk, or do 1 meal a day that's frozen. All right, guys, that's all the Q&As I have for this week. Again, these are every single Thursday, so if you have a question you'd like me to answer next week, go ahead and put it here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and of course, share it with your friends. We release new videos every single Wednesday, and our new podcast is out every single Thursday, so lots of different ways you can catch us. And of course, if you're not following us on our socials, go ahead and follow us there. We've got tons of new content for you every single day. And finally, if you're watching this and doubting yourself, you're doing a great job. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.